What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It is Moon, and I am back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is for Sag. What's up, Sag? Sag King. I'm working out the kinks. Okay, I'm working out the kinks. But what's up, Sag? Welcome to the video. Let's see what's up. Okay. Overnight again. Sweet Serenade. Hold on, this might be too many. Okay, hold on. We have Overnight and Sweet Serenade together. Then we have, whoa. Whoa. Then we have, okay, Unexpected Money and Multiple Streams of Income. So Overnight, Sweet Serenade, Unexpected Money and Multiple Streams of Income. Damn. And then at the bottom of the deck, Fallout, Leeches, Lack Mindset, and Non-Believers. Oh, God. Okay. All right. So, same thing for Aqua. Same setup. We got the 4 cards. I'm doing it a little bit different then. All right, Sag. So, first of all, well, Overnight and Sweet Serenade. For me, my Sweet Serenade card is something that, first of all, it could be obviously a song, right? Or someone singing to you. Or it could be something that just sounds melodic to you. It sounds good. It's something that's you know, you're like, yeah, you know, whatever you're saying, that sounds good. That sounds like a, you know what I'm saying? It's just, it sounds pleasing, right? So it's something you're hearing overnight that sounds good to you, right? And then we have multiple streams of income and unexpected money. Need I say more? What? And then we're not even gonna pay the leeches, the lack mindset, the non-believers that much attention. But we know that they're there. So I don't have to explain that. So let's see what's up with Sweet Serenade and Overnight for Sag. Sweet Serenade. Whoa. Alright, so this is definitely something major. So we got 2 major arcana coming out. Off the jump, we have Strength. So Strength, that with this Strength card, excuse me, I'm getting excited. With this Strength card, I feel that you have like a following, or people are following you, or people are working with you. They're connecting with you. And then Strength in general is Leo energy, and it's literally having courage, having bravery, being strong. You know, like withstanding something, going through something with grace and elegance. And then we have the Empress, which is baddie. Okay, the Empress is a baddie, right? Like she's someone that's, you know, she fine, okay, obviously, but she has so many talents, she has so many gifts, she has so many things that she creates, so many things that she does, so many different ways that she does things, right? So everybody want to be the Empress. So it sounds good to be this person, this brave, this strong, this, you know, elegant, this whatever the fuck. That's just the perfect person, right, for you. However that may look for you. And it sounds good. And something like that's happening overnight. So this could be you, Sag. This could be you becoming this person overnight, or seeing this person overnight, or this energy. It doesn't even have to be a person. It could be a place that just feels like you can, it feels like you can create in this place. It feels like, you know, you feel strong, you feel brave, you feel whatever in this place. And then we have unexpected, unexpected money and multiple streams of income. You have the 3 of Wands reversed. So I feel that there were, like, with lack of plan, like I'm hearing planning. So I don't know if it's the lack of planning with this being in reverse, or the lack of movement. I feel like it's the lack of movement. Let's see. I feel like it's the lack of movement, or the lack of planning something. The Tower reverse. Okay. So yeah, I feel like maybe you didn't plan something well, like in the past or before you heard whatever this thing was that sounded good to you. Like you didn't have a direction, you didn't have a plan, you didn't have your sights set on anything in particular. You know what I'm saying? Like you had ideas, but like you weren't focused, is what I'm feeling. So with the Three of Wands, because the Three of Wands is about planning, it's about travel, it's about expansion, moving, and doing things and going places. So with it being in reverse, you're not doing that. And then we have the Tower, Scorpionic energy, is basically your world being shaken up, or things kind of falling down or falling around you, or changing, or just moving. It's unexpected change, unexpected movements, unexpected awakenings, and falling down and falling outs. Like is that shit. So let me catch my breath. So with these cards together, I feel like either now or in the past, you were not planning shit. Like you didn't have a plan. But now I feel like whatever this thing is that you've heard or you've seen overnight, I feel like overnight you're making this decision to change this around and to take control. Ooh, bottom of the deck, King of Pentacles. Yes, it's about that money. Okay, it's about that money. Pentacles, for those of you that don't know, or coins in tarot, is money. It's the things that you can, or the energy of money. So the energy of money is like when someone gives you something. No, you didn't spend money, but the energy of money, like it's the energy of exchange, right? Of things that you can touch, see, smell, hear, taste, the things that you can, senses, use your senses for, is earth energy. So, okay, King of Pentacles, the king on top, okay? Let's see. I really don't want to put no cards on these. The lack mindset leeches and non-believers, but yeah, how we doing on time? Yeah, no, fuck them. Okay, so let's pull an oracle. I'm gonna wrap this up. Definitely. Sag, I feel like you have a lot of ideas, like a lot of things that you want to bring into fruition, but I feel like when you narrow them down and you choose a few for now, stay focused on those few, have a plan, have a direction, you're good. You're golden. And then like you can just move on to the next thing because it's done. You know what I'm saying? So, oh God. Don't let pride get in your way. Whatever that's for. And let's pull one more for Sagittarius. March. I don't think I said the dates for Aqua, but fuck it. Nothing is set in stone. So yeah, let's put some stuff in stone so that we can have a direction, we can have a vision, we can keep it moving, and then the answers you need are coming. So that is what I have for you, Sag. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel. If you need a personal reading, you already know the information for that is in the description box below. And until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I will see you later.